Guys, this is Wes, aka Sidewinder 4.9L, and this is just an overview of the air conditioning systems in the F-Series pickups. Here you've got your refrigerant lines here, runs all the way down to your condenser, which is mounted right here. You can actually see the fins back in there. Then you've got this piece here, comes over, another refrigerant line, comes all the way across to your compressor right here, and that's pretty much the overview. You got a high side, low side. One side is a gas, one side is just a fluid, and it's as simple as that. It just cools the air down, the gas down, air passes over it in the condenser, and there you go. You've got air conditioning, and that's pretty much it. As far as this goes, this was actually an R12 system, which is characterized by the twist off caps that you see. This is actually the low side right here. This is where you would actually put in more R12, or in my case I switched it over to a 134A plug, and as you can see, it's got an actual snap-on piece, but the original part from Ford was a screw-on cap. You can never switch between the two, R12 and 134, just by simply sticking the cap, because it's completely different fitting systems for that special design right there, just so you don't do that. As far as that goes, that's one of the big differences. Always concerning your HVAC stuff with your vehicles, always put your your Freon, always put it back on the low pressure side, otherwise you're going to have a lot of nasty problems. The can could actually explode in your hand, or it could do damage to a machine if you've got one of those. It's just overall, just always put it on your low pressure side. Don't have a problem with it. Makes everything safe and easy. Always wear nitrile gloves. The rubber ones do not use bare hands. Don't go with just the brown jersey gloves that everybody wants to use, or just regular mechanics gloves. That's just asking for problems. Don't get the Freon on your skin. As far as that goes, that's pretty much it. This here is actually a dealer hang-on system. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it specifically says that it was put on from the dealer, that it originally was not an air conditioning truck. It was specified at the dealer just for a quick sale, which was a very popular thing back then. I actually switched it over to 134A, and if you can see that, it's the little conversion sticker that they come with the kits. Just gives you a date, who did the conversion, how much Freon was actually put in, whatnot. I actually did it the cheapest way possible, because it just wasn't really profitable for me to do anything other than that. By technicality, it's not really the best idea to do it, but in my case, I needed an air conditioner for free, or as close to that as possible, so that's what I got. Costed me less than $50, and I have air conditioning that's working now.